Hey everyone, it's Unique. Welcome back to my channel. Cleansing is such an important part of your skincare routine. I mean, in order for you to do anything with your skin, you have to cleanse first. And one of the questions that I usually get is, do we have to find fungal acne safe cleansers if we're only going to be washing it off anyway? For me, in my house, yes, I want my cleanser to be fungal acne safe. I would rather just be safe than sorry. And there's so many great cleansers on the market that are fungal acne safe that I don't see it being a major blocker to finding a fungal acne safe cleanser. Now I'm just going to be showing you guys 3 different cleansers that I personally like. One that's really great at removing makeup, one that's great for sensitive skin or irritated skin, and then as always, a budget friendly option. And all of these cleansers will be listed down below in the description box. And I'll also leave some links to other fungal acne safe cleansers that I've seen, but I just don't personally have experience with those. This video is just going to cover the ones that I personally have experience with, so that you don't feel like I'm just trying to sell you guys products. No, that's not my goal here. So this video serves to be a resource for fungal acne safe cleansers with the ones that I've experienced and loved here in the video, and some other good ones based off the ingredients and reviews down in the description box below. The first cleanser that I want to talk about, you already have seen multiple times on this channel if you watch any of my skincare videos, because it is my favorite cleanser, fungal acne safe or not. It is just a bomb cleanser, period. And that is the Glow Recipe Blueberry Bounce Cleanser. I love this cleanser. This is probably like my 5th bottle of this cleanser at this point. It is amazing for taking off makeup and for really cleansing your skin without stripping your skin completely dry. Because we've all had cleansers where, yes, my skin was clean, but now it's like squeaky clean and parched feeling, and that's not what I'm trying to do. Because I am a dry skin bae, I want to make sure that all of my products are going to be nourishing to my skin, or at the very least not strip them. And this cleanser is great for removing all my makeup without stripping my skin. It is amazing, especially when I pair it with my fancy cleansing brush. Chef's kiss. Do you understand? That pair, that combination, clean, okay? Clean. And like I said, it just happens to be fungal acne safe. So it's a great cleanser even if you don't have fungal acne. So that cleanser is bae. It is dear to my heart. And you can be dear to my heart too. Just hit like for the YouTube algorithm and hit subscribe. And if you are in my comments, trust me, I know who you are. Let's get into the next cleanser. The second cleanser is really going to be great for anybody who has sensitive skin or irritated, inflamed skin, or you just went through a professional treatment like a chemical peel. This is going to be really good for you. And like I said, it's fungal acne safe. That cleanser is the Ultra Calming Cleanser from Dermalogica. This cleanser is amazing. It is amazing if you have any kind of irritation on your skin and you just want something that is going to clean your skin, not strip it, but also not add to the inflammation or the irritation that you're already feeling. It is amazing for that. If you have sensitive skin or your skin is extra dry, or like I said, you just went through a process like a chemical peel, this is great for that. You can squirt this in your eye and you wouldn't feel a thing. It's great. However, if you are like trying to really get rid of makeup or sunscreen, because sunscreen too can be very hard to break down, that cleanser, it's not the best for that. I would use this in a double cleansing routine. So first, like a micellar water, which you guys know I love. The Garnier micellar water is phenomenal, and it's also fungal acne safe. So if you want to use a micellar water first and then follow it up with the Dermalogica Ultra Calming Cleanser, that would be a great way to really break down any makeup or sunscreen, and then follow up with the Ultra Calming Cleanser, just to be sure that you're really getting rid of those products off of your face. And I can already hear you guys in the comments like, yes girl, these sound amazing, but they're not that inexpensive. And I get it, I hear you. So for my budget babes, don't worry, I got you. for you is the Neutrogena Ultra Gentle Hydrating Cleanser. Just like the Dermalogica Ultra Calming Cleanser, this one is really good at washing your face without feeling overly stripped, and great if you're dealing with any kind of sensitivity, dryness, and irritation. And it's a budget buy. You can find this in your local drugstore or Amazon as always. But its creamy formula is really great at cleansing your skin without stripping it. Just like with the Dermalogica Ultra Calming Cleanser, I would use this in a double cleansing routine just to make sure that you're really breaking down that sunscreen and makeup, like I said previously. I do think that the Dermalogica one does a little bit of a better job at actually cleaning your face. Sometimes when I use the Neutrogena one, I feel like I might need to wash my face again. But again, in order to mitigate that, I would do a double cleanse for sure, and maybe even follow up with a toner. And if you're looking for a fungal acne safe toner, you can watch this video, which I just reviewed 3 different fungal acne safe toners that I personally enjoy, and it would be great to follow up after that Neutrogena face wash. So go ahead and watch that video, and I will see you all in the next one.